In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in this Kia Sportage key fob. This device was used on Sportages between 2014 and 2020. Inside, we will find one of these CR2032 batteries. So go ahead and get one of those and just follow along. It's really easy. What we're going to do is flip over to the back. You can see this silver button here. I'm going to hold that down while we pull out this internal key. Now you can see there is the keyhole, and then opposite that a smaller hole, a little indentation. Take a flathead screwdriver, insert it into that hole, and just gently turn your screwdriver like a key, and we can see that it's starting to open up now. You can just wiggle your way down that opening until you hear another click, and now it should come apart pretty easily. And this tends to happen where the circuit board falls out. Don't worry, for right now, just set that aside. We'll put this all back together at the end. We're gonna work on this battery here. All you need is the same flathead screwdriver. And you can come in, if you see how I'm holding this, you're going to come in from the bottom and put the corner of your flathead under the battery, and you're just going to try to lift the battery up and out of place. Be gentle, you don't want to damage anything, break these little pieces of plastic. Just using the corner to kind of lift or pry that CR2032 out of place. There we go. You can, this is a CR2025, but make sure you're using a CR2032, okay? And when you have your 2032 battery, positive side with this text and information goes face down. Click it back into place securely. Now we can see the circuit board. Let's say this fell out and you don't know how to put it back together. This little rubber component is kind of a D shape. You see there's a straight edge and then a curve. It matches up with this. This is actually a straight edge and then there's a little bit of a curve here. So just line those up like this. Just gently push it into place. And now take the battery half, set that on top, and click it all back together. Put your key back in and you are all set. It's really easy, guys. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, let us know by leaving us a comment or giving us a like. And if you ever have any trouble with your key fobs or need to replace a battery, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.